Hello, orchid enthusiasts. Today we're immersing ourselves in the world of Phalaenopsis amboinensis, a captivating, unique orchid species that brings a touch of elegance and beauty to your orchid collection. But before we delve into the lore of the Phalaenopsis amboinensis, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of orchids. Phalaenopsis amboinensis is a captivating and fragrant orchid species native to the Maluku Islands in Indonesia. What makes Phalaenopsis amboinensis special is its unique combination of features. It typically produces large waxy flowers that range in color from white to pale green, often with intricate markings and patterns. One of the most remarkable qualities is its strong and sweet fragrance, which can be particularly pronounced in the evening or early morning. This fragrant attribute sets apart from many other Phalaenopsis orchids and adds an enchanting sensory dimension into the indoor gardens. Additionally, it is known for its adaptability to a range of growing conditions, making it a favored choice among orchid enthusiasts. This orchid thrives in bright, indirect light, making it ideal for indoor spaces with filtered sunlight. It prefers a well-drained orchid potting mix and should be watered moderately, allowing the mix to partially dry out between waterings. When comparing and planting with these orchids, consider other orchid species or hybrids with similar light and humidity requirements to create a harmonious and visually appealing orchid collection. Additionally, tropical houseplants like ferns and bromeliads can complement its elegant appearance while enhancing the overall aesthetics of your indoor garden. Its elegant appearance and fragrant blooms make it an excellent choice for orchid enthusiasts and collectors. This orchid adds a touch of sophistication and natural beauty to your living space, making it a favorite among plant enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of orchids. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, may your orchid collection flourish and may your Phalaenopsis amboinensis grace your living space with its elegance and natural beauty. Farewell and happy orchid growing.